Hawkeye Forest Products, a member of the Baillie Group, is a leading hardwood sawmill located in Trempealeau, Wisconsin. We are strategically located in close proximity to some of the best hardwood forests in the land. This allows us to source some of the finest northern timber and hardwood logs in the industry. Our experienced team of foresters, sawyers, and other hardwood professionals work hard to provide you access to some of the highest quality hardwood lumber available on the market today. From start to finish, the key ingredient to our hardwood lumber production is quality control. Basswood, hard maple, red oak, and white oak are some of the primary species we regularly produce. However, Hawkeye has built our reputation on producing some of the finest walnut hardwood lumber products in the industry. Hawkeye walnut is best described as square-edged, wane-free, and consistent in color. We know succeeding in business is hard. Buying your hardwood shouldn't be. Trust us to be your hardwood advisor and supplier.